Before installing anything, confirm that the noise is actually water hammer. A sharp bang immediately after a faucet or appliance valve closes is the key clue. Ticking during heating or continuous vibration requires a different repair. Start by identifying the exact trigger. Operate faucets, toilets, the washing machine, dishwasher, and other fixtures one at a time. If only one appliance causes the bang, focus on its supply lines and valve. Inspect any accessible pipes while the problem occurs. Loose pipes can strike framing and make a mild pressure surge sound much worse. Secure them using correctly sized pipe supports or cushioned clamps, while allowing enough movement for expansion. Never place screws where they could puncture concealed plumbing or wiring. Next, make sure shutoff valves are fully open unless they are being used to isolate a fixture. A partially closed or damaged valve can create turbulence and vibration. Never force a seized or heavily corroded valve. If a washing machine, dishwasher, or another fast-closing valve causes the impact, install a properly sized water hammer arrestor close to that fixture. Unlike an old air chamber that can gradually fill with water, a manufactured arrestor uses a sealed cushion to absorb the pressure surge. Installation must follow local plumbing requirements and the product instructions. Have the home's water pressure tested if several fixtures produce hammering. Excessive pressure may require adjustment or replacement of the pressure-reducing valve. Homes with a check valve or other closed system condition may also need the thermal expansion system evaluated. Do not reduce pressure blindly or install random arrestors throughout the house. Confirm the trigger, support the pipes, and correct the pressure or valve responsible. If the hammer is violent, occurs throughout the property, or began after plumbing work, arrange a professional inspection. Comment which fixture creates the bang and whether it happens when the water starts or stops.